Today we're making the famous Guyanese Chinese chicken fried rice. Let's get into the recipe. So we'll start by marinating our chicken in with some water. Then we will add some soy sauce, hoisin sauce. I will add some seasonings and spices, which I will list in the description or the caption. And I will add some brown sugar in with some crushed garlic and ginger, and I will add a little bit of sesame oil. You want to mix that very well to combine, and then we will add our chicken leg quarters in here, and we're going to cover it and let it marinate overnight. This is actually a different method I'm doing from the one that I did before, so we're trying this method and we'll see how it turns out. Now fast forward to the next day. I have my pot on the stove and we will add the chicken and the marinade into the pot. Now you want this to be nicely submerged, so I will add a little water to help with that. I will also add a little salt and some onions. So we will just allow this to simmer on medium high heat for about 15-20 minutes or so. 20 minutes is ideal. After 20 minutes you will remove it and place it on a wire rack and allow the water to drain off. You will also go ahead and pat it with a paper towel when you're ready to fry. You don't want to fry this wet. So I will fry one in my air fryer. This is frying on 350 for about 12 minutes. And I will fry the other two in oil. So we'll see how they turn out. And yeah, you want to fry these for about 6 to 8 minutes or so. They won't take long because remember they parboil first. I just flip it over, allow it to fry on both sides for about 3 minutes. And when they were done, I removed and place it onto my wire rack so that they can drain. And this is the one in the air fryer. We're going to set that to the side. And now let's prepare a quick and easy fried rice. So to my wok, I will add a little bit of canola oil and we will use some eggs today. I've seasoned it with salt and black pepper and we're going to scramble them and set them to the side. Now, as you know, in Guyana, we have two types of fried rice. We have the Chinese version, which is made different and it tastes different. And we have the Creole Guyanese fried rice. So here I added sesame oil and canola oil in with my garlic, onions, and ginger. And I just mixed that around a bit, and then I came in with my vegetables with a little bit of seasoning. And now I will come in with my pre-cooked white rice. I'm using jasmine rice, so you want to just stir that very well with the vegetables. And then we will come in with our sauces to give it flavor and taste. Once the sauces are added, you want to make sure it's very well combined. And once it's combined, we will lastly add our eggs and some scallion or green onions. And that's basically it. Quick, easy, and simple. And this is the Chinese style fried rice that we usually eat with the Chinese style fried chicken. If you want the other version of fried rice, I have many recipes on my platforms, all my platforms. So yeah, now let's plate up and enjoy. So here you have it, my version of the famous Guyanese chicken fried rice. When I tell you this was so good, I could not get enough. I just go in with my hot pepper sauce, and when I tell you I enjoy this, it was an understatement. Like, you have to try this recipe to see what I'm talking about. So give it a try. Let me know what you guys think. I will leave all my ingredients and measurements in the description or the caption, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Thank you for watching and enjoy.